Hey y'all, it's your girl Ariel. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back. So if you're new to my channel, if this is your first time here, please don't hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Please and thank you. So today's video is gonna be highly anticipated from me. I've been highly anticipating doing the video for you. That's why it's highly anticipated. Highly anticipated. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my favorite perfumes. Okay, these are my all-time favorite perfumes. I didn't get a whole lot of them, but I do have some of my all-time faves, and I'm gonna tell you why. Okay, y'all, I hope y'all are ready. Where should we start? We will start with Perfect by Marc Jacobs. This is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. First of all, the packaging and the detail, you guys. Like, get into this. Get into the bottle cap that has like a domino, a banana, a star, a shoe, another purple shoe, some cherries. Like, don't y'all just love unique packaging for perfume? So yeah, this is Perfect by Marc Jacobs. It's a very, okay, this is how I'm gonna describe it. It reminds you of something from the 90s mixed with something from today, if that makes sense. Like, y'all remember those 90s smelling perfumes? It has just a little bit of that in here mixed with something very modern. It's a warm, sweet, like not overly sweet, but slightly sweet and warm smell. And it's just luxurious. Overall, period, with my taste in perfume, y'all, I love luxurious smelling perfumes, and I am a scent person. When I tell you I love scents, I love to smell good. I love luxurious smelling perfumes. If you want to know what Ariell'S smells like or likes to smell like, it's money. I like to smell like money, okay? And this gives you it. This gives you baby money. This gives you baby money. Like, I got a little money, just a little bit. My descriptions are probably retarded, but it's a warm, sweet smell, very soft. It's nothing overpowering, luxurious. I really like this scent, y'all. It's not like my favorite, but I do like this scent. Like, I wear this to like the mall. Like, I do like this scent. I don't take it out of town to nice trips with me, but I do like this scent. Like, yeah. Next, you guys, I'm gonna give you something that y'all are about to be like, what? This is a Mary Kay perfume. Yes, I just said Mary Kay. This is a Mary Kay perfume. It's called Thinking of You. Thinking of You, y'all. Yeah. This is it's a soft, airy, feminine, playful scent. It's very clean, soft, and playful. It's just feminine, it's light, it's cutesy, a little sweet. I don't like any overly sweet smelling perfumes, but it's a little sweet. And y'all, I even buy this for my daughter. My daughter is 9. I buy this for her too, but I wore it for years before I started buying it for her. I like to mix it with a splash of Bombshell by Victoria's Secret, which Bombshell is one of my all-time favorite body sprays. If we're talking about body sprays, that's a whole nother video. But I'll spray like 2 sprays of Bombshell by Victoria's Secret, and then I'll put Thinking of You on here. These two together is magic. People stop me and compliment me on these two together all the time. It's magic. I like these two together, y'all. I be looking at the wrong, I need to be looking right here. These two, magic. Love them. Okay, so my next scent would probably be, because I want to go from like my least to my most, Gucci Guilty. Gucci Guilty. This one would be my next fave. Gucci Guilty is this is serious. Gucci Guilty is serious. It smells like a little bit of powder mixed with luxury, mixed with slightly woodsy, a little woodsy. And it's just business. Gucci Guilty smells like you mean business. It's a very luxurious smelling perfume. Like when you smell it, it just smells expensive. It smells expensive. And it just smells like she means business. Like I will wear this to like a job interview or like business meetings. This is Gucci Guilty, gives me business meetings vibes. Very luxurious. I love this. My sister even loves Gucci Guilty. I like this. One of my favorites for sure. Okay, so next on my list, now this is a strong tie between this one and then the one I'm about to show y'all next. But this one is Alien by Mugler. Alien by Mugler. This is a very, very well-known perfume, okay? Okay, let me tell you about Alien. Alien smells, it smells woodsy. It smells almost like a man or a woman could wear it, but it's a woman's perfume, but I would like this on a man as well. It gives me nighttime vibes. I wear this when I'm going out at night. So if I'm going to like a lounge or a nice dinner or something like that, or I would recommend wearing this on a date night. Like if you're going on a nice date, especially a first date, I would recommend this because this is a very sexy smelling perfume, a very sexy smelling perfume. Yeah. Ugh. It smells like sexy money. That's what it smells like. Like, it's just luxury. It's a little sweet. It's woodsy. It's sexy. This is one of my all-time favorite perfumes, y'all. Like, I'm pretty sure y'all hear about this on a lot of reviews on perfume, but whatever they say about it, believe it, because this is that. This is that. Period. Okay, so next up is, this is my all-time, I'm not gonna say is, was, until I got introduced to the last but not least. But this is Miss Dior. Miss Dior is one of my favorite perfumes. This is like my second or third bottle, and these last a long time. Like my Miss Dior's last for like a year and a half. But this is my second bottle, I want to say, of Miss Dior. Miss Dior is a very soft, it gives you soft powder, mixed with a little sweet, mixed with like a bergamot smell, and it's so soft. Like it's a subtle smell. It smells so feminine but rich at the same time, like deep and feminine. Anytime I wear this perfume, I get compliments. Like people stop me like, wow, you smell amazing. What are you wearing? Miss Dior. I wear this perfume more often than I wear any other perfume. Like this is my go-to that I'll just grab, and 9 times out of 10, I'm wearing this. The other ones I wear too, but this one is like my go-to. If I'm leaving the house, I'm gonna spray Miss Dior, y'all. This is, give it a try. That's all I'm gonna say about that. Give it a try. Miss Dior Eau de Parfum by Dior. It's life. It really is. Okay, so this one is the last but not least, y'all. Now this one's gonna set you back a little bit. This one is the Baccarat Rouge 540 by Maison Francis Kurkdjian. Boom. Boom. I feel like everybody's been talking about this perfume for about the past year or so. It's become increasingly popular. Y'all, this one is bergamot. It's woodsy. It's a little masculine. A man could wear it. It's a woman perfume, slightly sweet, smells super rich like money, and it's just, this is the most luxurious perfume that I own. This bottle here, this is the 2.4 ounce, and it's about $500 or $600 for the 2.4 ounce. But it smells amazing, y'all. It smells, whatever you hear about it is the truth. Like it's a very deep, rich, and the smell stays for a long time. When you spray it on, unless you take your clothes to the cleaners or whatever. Even when you take it to the cleaners, get it back, your clothes are still gonna smell like this. You wash your clothes, they're still gonna smell like this. Like, you just need a little bit of it. Very well made, very luxurious. It gives you, and I love those woodsy, sort of bergamot smelling perfumes, and this is that. And they put just enough of each part of it in here as far as the notes that's in here. It's just a perfect harmony of feminine mixed with masculine, mixed with rich. Y'all, it's, I love it. I love it. I don't wear it every day. I wear this to nice dinners or when I'm going on like a really nice, like a luxury trip. I always pack this with me. When I go on trips, this is what I'm packing with me, period. I'm not taking any other perfume other than this. If I go to like a really nice, like a 5-star dinner or something, I'm wearing this. This is what I have on for sure. That's it, yeah. All right, y'all, well, that is my favorite perfumes. These are my favorite perfumes. I just wanted to show you guys those because this is a video that I've really been wanting to do for y'all. Although I'm just a scent person, period. Like, I like my house to smell good. I love plug-ins, I love candles, I like lotions, body sprays, all of that. I should probably do another video on my favorite body sprays. Now, I have some body sprays for y'all that smell amazing, and you can just save your little coins and get the body sprays. I'm just trying to tell you. If y'all want me to do a video on body sprays where you can smell amazing and save some money, comment down below and I will put you guys on, okay? I will put you on and have you smelling like $1,000,000. I'm just saying. I'm just saying. But yeah, so those are my favorite perfumes. I'm always in the market to try something new or different. So please, if y'all can do me a favor, comment down below and let me know your personal favorite perfume, your personal fave, or let me know if one of the ones I just showed you is one of your personal faves, okay? Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that like button, and until next time, I'll see y'all later.